Amelia, you eating pizza too? Are you eating pizza too, Amelia? Like Daddy? Yeah, Mommy's eating pizza too. Small one. Amelia, what are you eating?
You're eating with Daddy.
Is it good? In a minute, you have to eat your real food. You know, we're getting crumbs everywhere. Daddy's eating too. She's looking at you, Matt.
Daddy's eating too, so we're eating together. Yum.
Apparently, she's starving. Okay, Amelia, say
She just
goodbye.
likes to eat bread.
You want some water? Oh! What, do you want a beer with that?
Oh, no.
A piece of bread she's eating. I don't think she can eat Daddy's pepperoni pizza.
Probably not.
Alright, Amelia, we're gonna go now. Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Goodbye to you and you and you. We'll see you real soon.